Every masterpiece begins the same way, as fragments, unformed, unfinished, waiting to become more, shaped in pure gold. Then, with intention, it evolves. Every movement brings it closer to life, guided by a nature-inspired vision where each curve feels organic and complete. Because true creation is not just about beauty, but meaning, brought to life with an ethical diamond, where brilliance meets responsibility, where every detail speaks of luxury. And in that moment, it transforms. No longer just design, now timeless, where effort becomes excellence, where vision becomes identity, where every detail is perfected beyond expectation. This is not just a creation. This is legacy. This is Avideri.